Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If your phone has been getting a little too hot, don't worry, you are not alone. There are several potential reasons, ranging from running too many apps at once to environmental factors like direct sunlight. But don't worry, most of these issues are easy to fix. So let's get started. And the first step is close resources heavy apps. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle of to bring up the apps feature. Then swipe up on the apps you want to close. After doing that, go back and avoid direct sunlight and hot environment. Your phone's temperature can spike if it is left in the direct sunlight or in a hot environment like a car on a sunny day. This might seem obvious, but it is a common mistake that can lead to overheating. So avoid sunlight, and the next step is turn off unnecessary features. Features like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS can contribute to overheating if they are running constantly, especially if you are not using them. After doing that, next solution is remove the case. While your case protect your phone, but it can also trap heat if your iPhone is getting warm. Try removing the case to let it cool down faster. If you notice your iPhone heating up, take it out of its case for a few minutes to help it cool down. Once you did it, the next step is update iOS and apps. Outdated software can cause performance issues, including overheating. Apple frequently releases updated to fix bugs and improve efficiency, so keeping your iOS and apps updated to crucial. Always install updated version of the software. After doing that, go back. And the sixth step is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often solve minor software glitches that may be causing your phone to overheat. For iPhone, press and hold the side button and either volume button until slide appears and the slide to power off. And the next step is check for background app. Go to the settings, go to the battery, and check if an app is draining your battery in the background. Consider limiting its background activity or uninstalling it. After doing that, go back. And the next step is disable background app refresh. Background app refresh allows apps to update content when you are not using them, but it can also contribute to overheating. Go to the settings and go to the general, and then click on background app refresh, and either turn it off completely or selectively disable it for certain apps. And then go back. And the ninth and the last step is reset all settings. If none of the above steps works, resetting all settings can help resolve software issues that might be causing overheating. So go to the settings and then click on general, reset, and reset all settings, and click on reset all settings. After doing that, your phone will be cool and overheated problem will be fixed. And that is how you can fix overheating issues on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then click on clear like button and click on share button. Thank you so much.